Car mats are one of those things that we often forget about cleaning, but then when we're driving and kind of look down, you do one of these because they don't usually look amazing. But they're easy to clean. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean both your hard rubber mats and your soft upholstered mats. And remember, when the weather changes, so should your mats. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to Clean My Space channel and give this video a thumbs up if you need your car mats cleaned.
The best product to use for this task is plain white vinegar. I'm just adding some to a clean spray bottle. And then I'm using an iron handle brush, just dry, and I'm brushing off all of the loose dirt and salt that's been ground into these car mats over those cold winter months. It's important to shake off your mat as well, that way none of the debris sits on there for the next step. Now I'm treating each of the car mats with the plain vinegar. Don't worry, you cannot overdose on this. And then you can rub it in again with that iron handle brush. This will help agitate further and lift out some dirt. And if you have to repeat it a few times, no big deal. Following that, I'm using a high pressure head on my garden hose to really get rid of any of the extra dirt or salt. You can even see some of the salt coming out of my mat. Then I'll put them in the sun to dry. For plastic car mats, I'm filling a bucket with water and adding a squirt of dish soap, maybe a tablespoon or so. Then I'm using that same iron handle brush just to give a good scrub down to those mats. I like the iron handle brush because it can really get into those cracks and crevices, and you can give her while you're scrubbing. It's kind of like taking your car mats to the dentist for a good cleaning. Now I'm using that same high pressure hose to get rid of any of that soapy water or any of that grime. And a really good trick that I have to get any of those extra remnants up is to spritz the plastic car mats with some white vinegar. And once that is sprayed on, I'm just wiping it off with a microfiber cloth. This will help get rid of any extra salty stuff.
As you can see, it's pretty easy to keep your car mats clean. You just gotta do it. So the next time you get that feeling, go for it. And that brings me to this week's comment question. Let me know in the comments down below, what is the hardest part to keep clean in your car? That might actually help us make a future video, so we really would appreciate your comments. Here are a couple of other car cleaning videos I think you're going to love, and you can always visit our website, cleanmyspace.com, to learn more. There's a button down there that lets me know you care, so click it if you like this video, and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.